afternoon, my political science students. I am grateful that I can see all beautiful faces and handsome faces in our Mathematics in Modern World class. So before we move on to our discussion, I want to hear the two groups that I assigned last meeting to defend my question, which is mathematics is really invented or discovered? So let the battle begin. Group 2, you may now share your insights about your stand, and Group 1 will contradict.
So good afternoon, everyone, especially to Miss Julie. So today, I would like to challenge the prevailing notion that mathematics is a universal truth waiting to be uncovered. Because if mathematics is a universal truth waiting to be uncovered, why have different civilizations and eras developed unique mathematical language and approaches? So, in my opinion, this notion is nothing more than a misconception. Mathematics is in fact a human construct, a language crafted to describe patterns and relationships. This language consists of symbols and rules carefully designed to represent abstract concepts that serve our needs and fuel our imagination.
For me, mathematics is discovered. Mathematics is fundamentally a field of discovery rather than invention. Its principles are not created but uncovered. As they exist independently of human thought, the field is vast and diverse, encompassing many branches of study, making it impossible to attribute its entirety to a single individual. What makes mathematics so remarkable is the coherence and consistency it maintains across these branches. We often find hidden connections not only within a specific area of math, but also between completely different areas. And even between math and the natural sciences, this consistent ability of mathematics to model and explain the real world suggests that its truths are not human-made constructs, but discoveries are waiting to be found.
In contrast, I do not believe in mathematics being discovered. Do you want to know why? Because based on the research and citing sources that I have done before, mathematics does not simply just exist in nature. Since mathematical notations, axioms, and models of the world and the problem solution in really were invented by the humans.
If mathematics is a created concept that it lives in our thoughts, is it possible that a discovery led us to believe that math exists and it is not less than a created notion? And does that not suggest it's a discovered rather than invented? Mathematics is such a wide spectrum that its complexity and connection to the natural world opened metaphysical and abstract discussions. While simple arithmetic can be answered by a simple calculation, its scope still remains undetermined. How can something be so complex be invented by minds or yet to be discovered? First of all, math is something innate, a force of nature. How can something be so sure that it existed ahead of us and will stay till we cease be something of an invention?
In my opinion, mathematics is invented rather than discovered because it is a product of human-defined system built action, axioms, symbols, and rules of logic that we create. Mathematics is also developed through human effort using axioms as foundational building blocks rather than direct observations.
I firmly believe that mathematics isn't an invention, it is really more of a discovery. Since mathematics is a broad field of study, so its discovery can even be attributed to one person. Rather, with the contribution of thousands of people, mathematics evolved progressively over thousands of years. Greek philosopher Plato argued that math is a discoverable system that underlines the structure of the universe. If you think about it, the symmetry of snowflakes, patterns of flowers and leaves, it is one of a factual example that nature seems to follow mathematical structures that is waiting to be discovered. With that, I will end my statement with one question. If you did not discover something, even the smallest pieces of it, how can you say that it is invented?
Wow. All of you guys really amaze me. But of of course, as your professor, I want to share my stand in that question. Because for me, I believe that mathematics is discovered. Because math exists in our own mind and it exists independent of human thought. Some examples here is of course our lesson last meeting, which is the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. Because we create patterns on how to solve it or understand it. But when I heard all of your insights and citations, I can say that I also question myself right now that is mathematics really invented or discovered?